You want to make money online? Everyone does. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. A website is your hustle, it's your platform to build something real. Think of a website like a storefront, but instead of renting a physical space, you're in the digital world. Lower overhead, bigger possibilities. The internet is open 24/7. Your website works as hard as you do. What can you sell? Anything. Information, products, services. You can even sell ad space. The key is to provide value. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Start small, think big. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on building a great website, creating killer content, and getting people to visit. Monetization comes later. First, you build your audience. So you've got traffic, now what? Time to monetize. One way is through ads. Companies will pay you to put their ads on your website. The more people who see the ad, the more you earn. Another popular option is affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services on your website. When someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. The key with ads and affiliate marketing is relevance. Don't just promote anything. Choose products and services that align with your website's niche and your audience's interests. Remember, trust is everything. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Recommend products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key to building a loyal following. Want more control? Sell your own products or services. Physical goods, digital downloads, online courses, coaching, consulting. The possibilities are endless. E-commerce platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. You handle everything from product creation to shipping. It's hard work, but the rewards are worth it. If you have skills or expertise, offer services online. Freelancing is booming. Writers, designers, developers, marketers, there's a demand for almost every skill set. The beauty of selling online is the global reach. You can connect with customers all over the world, and you're not limited by traditional business hours. You set your own schedule. Section 4. Content is king, traffic is queen. Attract visitors to your site. Building a website is just the first step. You need people to actually visit it. That's where content and traffic come in. Content is king, traffic is queen. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, whatever format resonates with your niche. Optimize your content for search engines or SEO. Use relevant keywords so people can find your website when they search for information related to your niche. Promote your website on social media. Engage with your followers, share your content, and drive traffic back to your site. Social media is a powerful tool to reach a wider audience. Section 5. SEO and social media. Your website's biggest fans. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. When someone searches for something related to your niche, you want your website to show up on the first page of results. How do you do that? By using the right keywords in your website content, building high-quality backlinks, and making sure your website is mobile-friendly. It takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Social media is another crucial aspect of driving traffic to your website. Create profiles for your website on all the major platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And start sharing your content. But don't just blast your links everywhere. Engage with your followers, join relevant groups, participate in conversations, and build relationships. Social media is about being social. Section 6. From side hustle to success, scaling your online business. Once you start generating income from your website, it's time to think about scaling your business. This means finding ways to increase your traffic, conversions, and ultimately, your revenue. One way to scale is to invest in paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. It's a cost-effective way to drive targeted traffic to your website. Another way to scale is to build an email list. Offer a valuable lead magnet, like a free ebook or discount code, in exchange for people's email addresses. Then you can nurture those leads with valuable content and eventually convert them into customers. Don't be afraid to outsource tasks that are taking up too much of your time. Hire virtual assistants, freelance writers, or social media managers to free up your time so you can focus on growing your business. Section 7. Take action. Your online empire awaits. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and persistence. but the rewards are worth it. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about. Then create a website, start creating valuable content, and promote it like crazy. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The online world is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Attend industry events, read blogs, listen to podcasts, and never stop learning. Remember, the most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Just start building your online empire today.